The real you isn't your condition. The real you is the sum of everything you've experienced. The loss, the joy, sadness, heartbreak, losing someone you love so much, wanting something so badly you could burst, hurting someone you care about, being hurt by those you love. That's your life. That's who you are. Mirror up to nature. That's our job. When we share our pain, our grief, our joy, the audience, less alone in theirs. We're all less alone.
We only get one shot at this, Barnaby. It's not the time for games and riddles.